You know that moment when you walk into a room and you completely forget why you're there? Or you stare at your laptop and wonder, what did I open it for? Well, welcome to Menopause brain fog, that lovely midlife glitch where your brain decides to hit pause for no apparent reason. Hey, beautiful, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Jody, your yoga and menopause coach. I keep things simple and real here, a no fluff channel where you can get your questions answered honestly. This isn't about memory loss or aging badly. This is about hormones, energy, and how your brain is adapting to a new normal. And the good news, there's a lot you can do to bring that clarity and focus back online. So what exactly is brain fog? It's that fuzzy, distracted, slow processing feeling that makes it hard to think clearly. You might forget words mid-sentence, lose your train of thought, or feel like your brain is buffering. Some examples might be rereading the same email 3 times before it sinks in. You can't remember where you parked the car, or you're mid-conversation and the word you needed vanishes into thin air. That's brain fog. It's not a personal flaw. It's biology shifting. So here's what's really going on. Estrogen, one of our key hormones, supports the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and acetylcholine, all of which help regulate focus, memory, and mood. When estrogen drops, that system slows down. Your brain's communication speed, blood flow, and glucose metabolism all take a hit. In simple terms, your neurons are running on low battery. Then add stress, poor sleep, and blood sugar swings, and it's no wonder you feel foggy. It's not just hormonal decline, it's the cascade effect. Less sleep, more cortisol, less energy, more chaos. But here's the good part. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. You can rebuild clarity with consistent daily habits that target body, breath, and mind. There are many ways to manage brain fog, from movement to breath to mindset, and I'm going to break down exactly what works. Let's start with movement. Wake up the brain. Movement is the fastest way to clear brain fog. Exercise boosts oxygen, circulation, and something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which acts like fertilizer for your neurons. That means every time you move, you're strengthening memory, focus, and learning capacity. It doesn't have to be extreme. A 20-minute walk, a yoga flow, or some strength training does the job. Think of movement as your brain's on switch. Your breath reboot the nervous system. When your nervous system is overloaded, oxygen delivery to your brain drops. A quick reset? Try this. Inhale through the nose for a count of 4, hold for a count of 7, exhale slowly through the mouth for a count of 8. This is 4-7-8 breathing. It slows your heart rate, reduces cortisol, and floods your brain with fresh oxygen. It's like hitting the refresh on your nervous system. And if you only have a minute to clear brain fog, do that. Mindset, train focus like a muscle. We live in a world of distractions, multitasking, notifications, a million open tabs. Menopause magnifies that mental noise. So here's your challenge. Single task. When you're doing something, just do that one thing. It sounds simple, but this retrains your attention span, and the brain loves repetition. Meditation, mindfulness, even short focus breaks throughout the day, they all strengthen your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decision making and clarity. Feed the brain. Your brain runs on steady blood sugar. That means protein and fiber at every meal. Pair carbs with protein like quinoa with tofu or oats with chia and hemp hearts. Hydration matters too. Even mild dehydration can mimic brain fog. So keep that water bottle nearby and get morning sunlight. It sets your circadian rhythm, helps with alertness, and supports sleep at night. Skip the ultra-processed stuff that spikes and crashes your energy. The more stable your blood sugar, the steadier your focus. Let's talk supplements. Supporting your system is important. And a few that I love: creatine, which powers both your muscles and your mind. And stay tuned for a creatine supplement that I am formulating specifically for women in menopause. B vitamins for energy and focus. Magnesium, one of my favorites for calming the nervous system. And DHA from algae. If you're plant-based, it's fuel for your brain cells. Remember, supplements enhance the work, but they don't replace it. And when should you consider hormone replacement therapy? For some women, HRT can help restore that cognitive spark. Estrogen therapy supports blood flow and glucose metabolism in the brain, which may improve focus and mental clarity. It's not the right choice for everyone, but if brain fog is affecting your daily life, have that conversation with your healthcare provider. Sometimes your system just needs a little signal boost. Menopause brain fog can feel disorienting, but it's also a sign your body is asking for attention, not punishment. Support your brain with movement, breath, nourishment, and rest, and you'll be amazed how quickly clarity returns. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more yoga and menopause videos. I'll see you soon.